Hello and welcome to AnthonyRBrown.com. Now, if you're involved with any network marketing company or any type of home-based business, then you owe it to yourself to explore this entire website and take advantage of what it has to offer. My goal is to provide you with some proven systems and some techniques and tips, as well as some success strategies that's going to allow smart but overwhelmed home-based business owners such as yourself to quickly achieve the success that you rightfully deserve and you desire. My primary focus is on you, your personal development, as well as your success of your business. And I want to help you utilize the power of the internet to skyrocket your profits. You see, long gone are the old school days of struggling to become successful in your network marketing business. So I encourage you to check out each section and click on each link of this website. Each contains some powerful information, some tools, some resources that you'll be able to use to help you increase the level of achievement as an entrepreneur. And it is my hope that you just continue to come back time and time again, and as well bring others back with you. So again, welcome, and I look forward to talking with you soon. Take care, and God bless.